So guys, welcome back to another episode. It's only going to be a short one, this one. I'm actually on my bloody lunch break, so I'm trying to show you guys what you can do with your time, make the most out of bloody every situation in life. So I'm about 400 k's north of Perth in a little town called Gero I. I'm doing some work up here, so I thought I'd use this half-an-hour break to bloody see if I can get onto a fish. So I'm down here at the Chapman River, so where the river mouth meets the ocean. It's a beautiful little spot. I have been told they pick up tailor here quite often. Probably not in the middle of the day. It's about 12:30. So on this trip I have bought one rod and one lure and just a camera and a GoPro. So that's what we're running. So I mean, if there is tailor here, hopefully that's a little tailor bicky. It's only a bloody $2 bargain bin lure from Anaconda. So yeah. Hopefully we get something, guys. If not, I'm still going to drop this episode. I've been talking to a lot of Perth YouTubers, some that you'll know, Sean from Fish and Wishing, bloody a Jet with a rod, Chris Dixon, and my homie Lee from the Bush Rats. And a lot of you guys don't see the L's. Like, I've probably filmed 5 or 6 saltwater fishing missions and bloody got 2 herrings. So either way, I'm going to show you an L, a loss. But yeah, going to show you guys how to get out of here. If you've got a better spot than this that you have your lunch, you bloody won the lotto. So I'm gonna strap a GoPro on, cast in the river, cast in the ocean. Hopefully we can pick up a tailor. If not, just enjoy this beautiful time, resetting my mind, head back to work in half an hour and bloody smash out my day. So let's go. Righto guys, so a few flicks in the river, absolutely duck eggs, which I sort of expected. So I'm gonna try a couple in the ocean before I gotta bloody call it quits and head back to the work ute. But yeah, it is starting to, the wind is starting to blow up. I don't know if Geraldton's known for tornado-like winds, but yesterday was terrible and this afternoon's gonna be the same. So a few flicks in the ocean, see if we can pick something up. If not, what a bloody good lunch break. So let's go. Righto guys, so that is us. Unfortunately, duck eggs, but just thought I'd show you guys the locations I get sent to, unfortunately, with what I do for a living and what I get up to. So I make the most out of every minute I'm away from my family, sort of get out, refresh. I'm gonna go back to the job now and bloody dominate. Before I do that, I'm gonna wash my face off because I've been sweating like a pig out in the sun. And yeah, so that's it for this episode, guys. Please like and subscribe. Next one will be back down south, south of Gero anyway, doing some drone fishing with a couple of other YouTubers, so stay tuned for that. Should be a banger. Hopefully we get on some fish, but if you watch me for a while, you know I bloody struggle. As soon as you put a camera in the fish's face, you're never gonna catch one. So we go for a swim, guys, get back to work, and yeah, see you on the next one.